Hello everyone, I am Rajakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari District. Today in this video, I am going to explain solid modeling. It is the one of the method of geometrical modeling. Three types of geometrical modeling. One is wireframe model, second one is surface modeling, third one is solid modeling. Here recall the weakness of wireframe and surface modeling. First, wireframe modeling and surface modeling having the ambiguous geometrical descriptions. So we cannot find out the clear identification of the image. Then incomplete geometrical description, lack topological informations, tedious modeling process. These are the reasons we cannot identify the clear image of the part, so that we are going to see the solid modeling techniques. So solid modeling is based on complete, valid and unambiguous geometrical representation of physical object. That means the complete point in space can be classified inside and outside. Then valid vertices, edges, faces are connected properly. Unambiguous, there can only be one interruption of object. Solid modeling representation schemes. Four types of representation is there. First one is constructive solid geometry. Second one is boundary representation, that means B-rep. Third one spatial enumeration. Fourth one installation. One by one we will see. First one, constructive solid geometry, that means CSG. Objects are represented as a combination of simpler solid object, that means primitives. Primitives are such as cube, cylinder, cone, torus, sphere, etc. Copies or instances of these primitive shapes are created and positioned. A complete solid model is constructed by combined these instances using set specific logic operation, that means Boolean operation. Consecutive solid model Boolean operation means each primitive solid is assumed to be a set of points. A Boolean operation is performed on point sets and the result is a solid model. Boolean operation means it includes the union, intersection and difference. The relative location and orientation of the two primitives have to be defined before the Boolean operation can be performed. Boolean operation can be applied to two solid other than the primitives. You can see this example image, the consecutive solid geometry. Union is here, you can see the figure. First one is black, second one is cylinder. First one is A, second one is B. So it gives the A union B. You can see the second image. This is a A union B. The sum of all point in each of two defined set logical OR. This is also referred to as a add, combination, join, merge. Then difference. The points in a source set means the points common to a second set. So logical NOT. Set must share common volume. Also refer to a subtraction or remove a cut. Here you can see this figure. First one, A difference B. A is block, B is cylinder. Here A is fully it gives the A fully and B is a partial position is joining with the A. This is the A difference B. Then intersection. Those points common to each of two different set, that is logical AND. Set must share common volume, also refer to a common cojoint. A intersection means A only, that means A and B common position place, that is A intersection B. A is a block, B is a cylindrical. It gives the intersection place only the cut part is uh, given this place. Then when using Boolean operation, be careful to avoid the situation that don't result in a valid solid. Okay, this is a block, this is a B block. So A is a union B. Okay, this is the consecutive Boolean operation. Then Boolean operations are intuitive to user, are easy to use and understand, provide for the rapid manipulation of large amount of data. So because of this, many non-CSG system also use Boolean operation. Data structure does not define model shape explicitly but rather implies the geometrical shape through a procedural descriptions. Example, object is not defined as a set of edges and faces but by the instruction union primitive 1 with primitive 2. Primitive is nothing but cylinder, cone, like that. This procedure data is stored in a data structure referred to as CSG tree. The data structure is simple and store compact data, easy to manage. Consecutive solid geometry tree store the history of applying Boolean operation on the primitives. Stored in a binary tree format, the outer leaf nodes of tree represent the primitives. The interior nodes represent the Boolean operation performed. This is the figure shows the consecutive solid geometry tree. Here the two black and one cylinder is there. This is the consecutive solid modeling. The top of the figure shows the consecutive solid geometry. This is the assembled part image. Here detailed image is in here. Plus means the adding the part, minus means the intersection or difference. Okay, this cylinder is intersection to this box, then union to remaining portions, that is the consecutive solid geometry. Consecutive solid geometry not unique, sorry, more than one procedure, hence database can be used to arrive at a same geometry. You can see this image, so different blocks are joining to so single image. This is a consecutive solid geometry. Consecutive solid geometry representation. CSG representation is unequalated. That means face, edges, vertex not defined in explicits. CSG model are always valid. Since built from solid elements, CSG models are complete and unambiguous. Advantages of CSG, consecutive solid geometry. CSG is powerful with high level command, easy to construct a solid model, minimum step. CSG modeling techniques lead to a coincide database and less storage. Complete history of model is retained and can be allotted at any point. Can be converted to a corresponding boundary representation. Disadvantage, only Boolean operations are allowed in the modeling process. Okay, with Boolean operation alone, the range of shapes to be modeled is severely restricted. Okay, not possible to construct unusual shape. Okay, only usual shapes only we can possible to construct these modeling techniques. They record a great deal of computational to derive the information on the boundary, faces and edges, with this important for the interactive display manipulation of solid. Thank you.